Hey guys, welcome back to Glam Queen DIY. This is that DIY that went viral, and it is 24 wine glasses. I am using Dollar Tree wine glasses, Mod Podge, and red glitter. Now, if you want to see this DIY video that went viral, make sure you keep watching. And you guys, make sure you follow me along. These are the wine glasses. Once again, this is the glitter I'm using. It came from Amazon. I will put the links down in the description. And my Mod Podge came from Amazon as well. Now, once again, you guys, this is that viral DIY video. If you want to see how gorgeous and amazing these 24 wine glasses came out from this viral video, make sure you watch to the end. Talk to me through the comments, and thank you everyone for your loyal love and support. We're on that road to the 50K. We can make it, and thank you guys so much. Continue to share the channel, watch the videos and the ads for me as well. Your girl truly appreciate it. Now let's jump right into this viral video, you guys. And for the safety and for the sake of my voice, you guys, I'm just going to pop in just shortly here near the end. But thank you guys so much. Now let's get this video started. And also, you guys, make sure you drop me a comment via video down in that comment section if you would love to see more viral videos to be dropped here on the channel. Once again, family, thank you guys. If you're watching right now, you're not a part of the Glam Queen DIY family, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tap that bell twice, it turns blue, and you'll know every time that your girl is uploading a video, you guys. I do have a hard time talking and breathing at the same time, but you guys, thank you so very much. And once again, continue watching this video that went viral. And you guys, I was truly amazed to see that this video had begun to go viral. Continue to share the video, share the channel. All of our channel links are down in the description box. Make sure you do join Glam Queen DIY. Her home is, her tablescapes, her shorts, and Molux vlogs. I do hope that you enjoyed this viral DIY video with these 24 wine glasses, and I'm telling you guys, they are extremely gorgeous. I did delete portion of the clip that showed the final outcome, but you're gonna see the actual look at these glasses when we throw up that birthday celebration video, and you'll see they still look a slight bit different. But thank you guys for watching this viral video. Thank you also for sharing this video, the DIY that went viral. You guys, I appreciate you so very much, and we'll see you guys in the next upcoming video. Don't forget, subscribe to Glam Queen DIY. Her home is Moloch's Vlogs, her tablescapes, and also her shorts. You guys have a blessed and wonderful day.